Have you ever tried to download something and accidentally clicked on the wrong button? Yeah, that download now button, that wasn't a real download. In this video, we're going to show you what actually happens when you click on a fake download button, how deceptive websites trick you, and how Total AV and Total WebShield protect you before it's too late. Okay, let's get started. So what are fake download buttons exactly? They're made to trick you, designed to look like a genuine download, but they actually do something shady. They redirect you to sketchy ad sites, trigger malware downloads, or trick you into installing fake software. They're often placed next to a real button just to confuse you. And the scary part, a lot of people click on them by accident, especially when they're in a rush. This is called deceptive design, a tactic used to manipulate your clicks. Some common tricks include multiple green buttons with identical download text, fake system messages like your software is out of date, invisible overlays or clickable areas, countdown timers, and fake virus alerts. These aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. One wrong click and you could be downloading adware, spyware, or worse. Let's break it down. Here's what can happen when you click on a fake download button. You're sent to a malicious website designed to look real. That site might automatically download a file to your device, and if you open that file, you could be giving hackers access to your system. Even if nothing downloads, just loading the site could activate tracking scripts, crypto miners, or install unwanted browser extensions. It's fast, it's sneaky, and it's not always obvious until it's too late. That's why Total WebShield is so important. WebShield is like a digital bodyguard that automatically blocks access to dangerous and deceptive websites, stops fake download links from loading malicious pages, intercepts phishing and scam links before they reach your browser, warns you in real time if you're about to visit a known harmful site. So even if you accidentally click on something you shouldn't, Total WebShield has your back. It works quietly in the background, but it makes a massive difference. Want to avoid fake buttons and traps? Here are a few quick tips. Have Total AV installed with real-time antivirus enabled. Use Total WebShield on your internet browser to act as a first alert to any suspicious activity. Always hover over links before clicking. Check the URL. Use trusted sources only when downloading files. Keep your software and browsers up to date. Smart habits plus strong tools equals safer browsing. So now you know exactly what happens when you click on a fake download button, and how Total AV and Total WebShield can stop it before it starts. Follow and subscribe for more internet safety tips, and let me know in the comments if you've ever fallen for one of these traps. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.